Is this coin safe to invest in or not? If you've asked yourself a question like this every single time, sit tight. Welcome back everybody to MoneyFest World School channel. My name is Dlamini, and today we are going to see, before you invest in any coin, what should you do to know, is it safe? Because come on, we all want to make a safe investment so that we can keep for our future, yes. But not all coins that come out are safe. The question is, what criteria do you need to consider to know, is this coin good? Who made it? Who is responsible for it? How much money is invested in it? If you get such questions, this is the video that is going to help you to choose such a coin. Like this video and click the subscription button, and yes, you'll get more videos from us. So let's get in. All right, so let's continue to see, how do you analyze a coin? What do you need to consider before you know that a coin is safe or not? This is very simple. I need you to come to Google and use a platform called CoinMarketCap. Okay, I just say CoinMarketCap. You can see right here. And the very first platform is what you're going to get. Now, this platform is going to give you the opportunity to analyze any coin out there. I know when you look at it, you're going to be like, wait, there is a lot of stuff here. And yes, that is the reason. That is the reason there is a lot. You can come right up here and search for any coin. What coin would you like? Let me say NIA, okay? There is a coin which is called NIA. This is NIA protocol. I can search it and I can come here and I search. Now, once I click here, I am going to get information about this coin. Let me repeat. How do you start? First of all, you need to get the name of the coin which you're interested in. An example, this coin I'm looking at is called NIA. How did I find it? You can see right up here, it says portfolio, wish list, and also a search bar. In this search bar, I write the name of the coin I would like to look at. And there are very many important things here you need to consider. Number one, you need to consider the market cap. How much money is in this coin? How much money is invested in it? In this case, it says over $2 billion is invested in it. A coin which is having more than $1 billion, my champion, it is worth your time. But there are more things to consider before you actually just rush into it. Okay? Volume. Look at the daily volume. 24-hour volume is $141 million. That is also not bad. Though it is less than $1 billion, it is still more than $100 million. Still, it shows you that there are people interested in this coin. We move on. What else, ladies and gentlemen? You need to also take note of the website. You are interested in this coin, but you need to know, is it reputable? And one of the few things which can say a company is reputable, by having a website. Okay, if I click on this, I can open its website. Yes, they have a website. They have a website. You can see. You can actually come and see for developers, for founders, and look at its community. It has a community. It has a blog, okay? And also other things here. So if I go back here on the website, I can just come here and see. For founders, what do we have here? For founders, Founders Hub. You want to join the founders, you can click here. For developers, people who want to co-develop and maybe get something, technology they want to use from this same company. Or you can even read about them. You can see. And under reading about them, you can see what is their roadmap and history. This is very important. You need to know which team is behind this coin. Is it a reputable team? A team that has been here for some time? A team that you can stand by? And look, it gives you the technical roadmap. Where did they start from? Chain abstraction, NIA intent. You can see all here. History, where they started from. You can see they have an AI origin. You can see the founders. They don't fear to show you their face. And you can see this means that that is a coin you can actually work with. Does it have community presence on Twitter, which is now X? Yes. If I click on X, ladies and gentlemen, it can give me access. That is if it will open for me here. Or YouTube, the same thing. They have YouTube, GitHub, Reddit, Telegram, you can type them, or even a Discord channel where you can talk to them. All these things are meant to show you, is this a reputable company to work with? The team which stands behind it, can I rely on them? In case of Telegram, I can just click here and it can take me to Telegram. So now I have opened the Telegram channel. Let me show you very clearly here, very fast. And you can see that they have a presence on Telegram. Actually, their channel is followed by 55,000 followers. I am not advertising this coin. I am showing you things you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, for you to be able to actually know, is a coin reputable or not? Some of the things that can tell you that is Telegram channel. Do they have a presence on Twitter? Do they have a presence on YouTube? Go to YouTube, search about them. And after you see this kind of presence around these people, 55,000 followers is not a joke. Okay? So you can now understand that, yes, this is something which is reputable. The final thing which is going to tell you, should you buy it or not, is going to be reading about what is the coin all about. What is the coin all about? And you can see up here, it even tells you, today, the price of this coin went down. If I click here, right here, why is the price of this coin a little down? Which is okay. It gives you a deeper dive. This is CoinMarketCap's AI, which is going to analyze for you and going to tell you, okay, this coin, for example, near broke below its pivot point with MACD histogram signaling bearish momentum. The price now tests 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. What does this mean? You can go ahead and read through exactly. Read through, ladies and gentlemen, exactly what it's saying. And come and look around. There is more information on what exchanges is this coin listed. You need the coin to be listed on big exchanges like Binance, like Bybit. Is it available on Binance? Yes, look right below here. Exchanges. It is available on Binance, you can buy it. It is available on Bybit, on Coinbase, on OKX, on BitGet, on KuCoin, and all other exchanges out there. And all other exchanges. And you can see that this is now a lot of information. A lot of information, ladies and gentlemen. The final step you can take is to look into its white paper. What is a white paper? A white paper is a description of the mission of this coin, the mission of this technology. If I click here, read, it is going to take me to its mission overview. NEAR protocol is a user-friendly blockchain platform that makes it easy for developers to build decentralized applications and for users to interact with them. It has an intrinsic value. Then from that, it says it solves key challenges around usability, scalability, security through innovative features like human reliable account names, predictable pricing, and dynamic sharding. All this is information that is telling you, hey, we are here with a mission, we are a people you can rely on. Now, this is an example. I am not calling you to go and buy this coin. This is just an example on how to analyze any coin out there. Go out there and search for a coin you would like to invest in and do what I have just done. Your tool is going to be CoinMarketCap. So take on my task and yeah, go ahead and practice. Now that you've watched this video to the end, yes, I know that you know how to analyze a coin and you can know, is it safe or not? Let me give you homework. I need you to go and choose a random coin. Well, it may not be random. Maybe you've had it from somewhere. Maybe you've had it from someone. Go and use the tools I've given you, just like CoinMarketCap. Yes. And write me in the comment section. By the way, I read your comments. Write me in the comment section and let me know, which coin did you analyze? Is it safe? According to the parameters I gave you. I'm going to read the comments. Click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one.